Fat loss is one of the most misunderstood processes in the human body. Many people believe that fat simply disappears when you exercise more or eat less, but the truth is far more complex and scientific. Let's take a journey inside the human body and understand how fat loss really works. When you eat food, your body uses calories for energy. Any extra calories that are not immediately needed are stored as energy. This stored energy becomes fat and is kept inside specialized cells called adipocytes. An important fact to understand is that fat cells do not disappear. When fat is burned, these cells shrink in size, but they remain in the body. Fat loss begins when your body needs more energy than it is getting from food. This usually happens when calorie intake is lower than calorie expenditure through movement, exercise, metabolism, or a combination of all three. At this point, hormones take control. Insulin levels drop, while hormones like glucagon, adrenaline, and growth hormone increase. These signals tell fat cells to release stored fat into the bloodstream. Inside fat cells, triglycerides are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. These fatty acids travel through the blood to muscles, the liver, and other organs where they are used as fuel. Movement now becomes critical. When you walk, train, or exercise, your muscles demand more energy. They pull fatty acids from the bloodstream and burn them inside mitochondria, the energy factories of your cells. During this process, fat is converted into energy, heat, carbon dioxide, and water. Most fat actually leaves your body through breathing, not sweating. Metabolism also plays a major role. Your basal metabolic rate determines how many calories you burn at rest. More muscle means higher daily calorie burn. Strength training helps protect muscle, while cardio increases calorie expenditure. The best fat loss approach combines both. Nutrition, sleep, and stress all matter. Protein supports muscle, fiber improves digestion, and healthy fats balance hormones. Poor sleep and high stress raise fat-storing hormones. True fat loss is not about extremes. It's about consistency, balance, and patience. Eat smart, move daily, sleep well, manage stress. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more science-based fitness content. Remember, fat loss is a process, not a race.